Hello everyone. So today we are going to continue testing our maintenance mode PR. So we have a couple of test cases written, but those are failing, and it's time to debug and fix those test cases. And yep, I have written a couple of test cases that I'm expecting that should work, but due to some reason it was not. So let's debug this. Alright. So the problem here is we are passing a mock context into the manual and method of this. First option when retrieving is status. So we are expecting an option int for status. We should return 503. Is an important one for but for render we are returning 503 but that doesn't reflect. Somehow this doesn't work. Is it about stuff we have here? I have no idea Looks like we have some issues with the audio. So I'm gonna fix it. I think it might have been improved a little bit now. Um, let's see. Guess this is a maximum value. As a gain, I can have in both places. Um, mm, let's see. Looks like the issue was solved now. Um, let's get back to grinding. Okay. I just wanted to test one switch at a time, but I don't know how to filter that one. But it's okay. Mm, okay. Maybe now. Looks like we're still having a problem with the audio quality. Um, don't know how to validate that, but that's fine. Um, let's get back to the debug mode. Looks like this mock context has no effect. 122, 23, 118. This is the 118. All are complaining about all are complaining about make, exist, and some other calls, but not this option. What about this option? option of string comment 133 and 34. Actually, what's the more context at all? So more console context, and I'm initiating it with a new context. Sorry for the awkward silence so far, but I hope now at least we get back to our actual findings. Debugging. What's the best way to do this? So I have the command, I have the handle method, and I'm calling it. What's wrong with that? It's apps, and then app makes view, makes a hash, makes storage, and I'm calling the handle method that need a context, and we are passing the context to it with all the expectation and other stuff. But that doesn't. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna comment out all the all of them except this. So it's going to be foundation and console. Oh my god. Why? Okay, let's see. Now this works. This is what I'm expecting it to do. Option int for status should return 505. I need another expectation. That might fail. Option with the redirect. So it looks like it actually works, but somehow Okay, we need the reason as well. No, the render as well. Okay, gotcha. Is it because of that? So we look at this. This is working. Oh my god. Actually, while testing one, it works as we no. No, it's not, but it should work. Um, to make one more call. But return first or remove the success call. It should. Okay. It may or may not have the success. We'll see how the handle method works. Look at this. It's under maintenance and status 505. This is what I need. The success was not getting called. Okay, I'm gonna close this. It's fine. But the success was never get called. Why? The success wasn't get called. Maybe could throw some errors. Mark storage. Expect output. Storage we already passed. Success is on. This is info. This is from the up command. Oh, sorry. A down command looks fine. So now it's time to test the tests two methods at a time. Look at that. Now we have a problem. Is it because of this once? Okay. Okay. Let me try this. It has all ones. Now down command, unexpected method call. I think for each call that mark should get created. So if it doesn't, and it doesn't need to be stored actually. Like it can be something like this. So that for each and every test, it can create a new mock context and set the expectations. Expecting it might work, but no. I think this makes sense. If we see, let's test it again without that because I didn't actually. Okay, so without creating a new context every time, it uses the somehow the older. Mm, doesn't have the reason. Status is 505. Mm, makes sense now. So, for whatever reason, now instead of 505, we get 503, but it doesn't have the reason here. So that could be removed from here to here. Yes. Whew. I think down command might. Oh. What's the difference? The redirect first and the status next. Why is that? Fine. So, okay. Since it's a string. Let's test again. Got another problem now. Framework / maintenance.json. There's no space between this. There's no space between this. Got it. Maybe I can. Now it works. We can expect an arg and we might get a string and then we can again convert back it back to JSON and check each and every element that could be done, but it's okay. And what I want to do here, I don't need this. Okay, you can there. So now I'm creating a context within a test method and I'm putting it. I don't need it to be declared globally. Makes sense. It's time to okay, finally I have no idea what's going on here. I now um, I'm relieved. Relieved so much. And so the more context. Now it's time to unblock this, and so mock. This is what it is I want, and also here. Okay, we're fixing one method by one. No hurry. Yep. And V6 done. X good. And go on 5. The last one is going to be good, and start at 0 and 5 down, done. Yeah, this one. I think we may have some JSON expectation issues, but that's fine. That can be fixed soon. Here we go. So this is on under maintenance with a secret status, but what's the method name? Down handle secret. Yeah, here we go. This is secret. Have the secret. Oh, I need to add the method once as well to this. So reason testing handle secret maintenance instead of 503. That should not be the case. Okay, something wrong with this method now. Okay, see, test again. under maintenance, status 503, the secret. Now, good. So the second one should be a secret. Let's see. That went down. Now handling with the render. Handling with render. Here we go. I want it to be written once. Once. And once. Now what? The render. Yeah. Now I got the rendered and the status, but I don't have the reason. Cool. I don't need a reason for that. So this, and I don't want this, and okay. Our expectations of set. What next? Handle with render. Okay, here we go. Shouldn't be fine. Now the handle with render was gone. Now the handle with secret. Good catch. Making this password test. Handle secret, handle with secret. It should okay. Secret is a random one. If it's with secret, okay. This makes the hash and return something. The hash could be anything that has to be tested in the JSON, but not here. And this is a hashed password, but we need the original password. That we don't know. So here assert the info arg starts with using secret. That's all we need right here. How can we do that? Okay, knock matched by or has prefix. Awesome. Might work. Can be added. Strings, yes, did. Good. And we'll see. We're asserting only the prefix. Under maintenance, status 503, yes. Secret, random hash password. Ooh, was result, fine. So I'm going to toggle and so first one is a reason. Okay, second one is a secret, third one is a status. And this doesn't have the once. Let's add that too. Okay, success also once. Now, are we good? I think yes, it's time to move on to the app command. So now I can do some cleanup because I don't need this context. Don't need this context. Make sure it works. Yes, it does. Awesome. What was that modified? The down separate statements, that's fine. That should fix down test. Okay. And should be pushed. Okay, it's time for the app command. Go. All I'm doing is just checking. Look for the file. If it does exist, just remove it. What I'm doing it for, to putting it to putting it I'm using this storage. I think I need to make that change, and the path here is just this, and we might need a way to define that somewhere globally so that it can be utilized. So the default is this, and I don't know whether we need this or not, and it's storage. file system dot storage. What's the file system? It's a contract. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. And the second one, make storage. Yep. Awesome. And this the path. And here it should be r dot storage dot exists, whether it exists or not. Then r dot storage dot remove, delete the path. Return error or success, return nil. Not in a maintenance. That's fine. So it's very simple. Should be a very simple test. And we have a couple of tests already running. I mean, we have a couple of tests that's actually doing the job. You don't need this, don't need this, don't need this. It's not going to be the app. So now it's that make storage. Okay, let's see how we are making our storage. Okay, let's start from here. Mock storage, mock file system. We need a mock file system and storage on the suite. Yep. And this is fine, but while setting up, I need to make that storage. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. We need that. We need that. That's fine. Keep it. See. I need this as well on the setup, because we're making a storage. Okay, all right. Here we go. Storage dot I don't need this. Okay, start mock app and okay. This is more context. I don't think I need a context, but it's okay. It's not a info. It's a success. Yep. And we don't need this. So s dot storage dot expect exist return true. If it exists, then expecting a delete. return it true. Yeah, I think that's it. That's it for the I don't need the OS. I don't need the file anymore, file helper anymore. File importer not used, but I am not using it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, it could be on the command there. Yes. And for this, a lot of things we are expecting. Okay, it's for is it set up suite? Next storage. You have this defined. Oh, okay. Test when not down. I don't need both of this and s dot mockup. I don't know whether it's s or there are some rules. I don't know. I mean, at least at this moment. Cool. We'll see. That was okay. While path. Don't need you. We are almost closing now, but not right now. Testing a description. Testing a description here. Calling a method. Anything else? Handle when not down. It's failing. Actually, we got the success call. If okay, we do this. We are returning false, right? Line 66. It's still failing. Application is up and live now. That should not be true. Okay, maybe it's because of this. Good. Think we are making good progress. Testing signature. Go. We have the mockup. Let's make use of it. Finally. Fix the up command. I don't know whether we have some other. Have a linter. We we have some linter issues, but I don't know how to fix that. And just checking whether we have the same issue in production. No, not. And I don't know. At least we can ask Gemini. I don't know whether I do have access to it, since it's a pretty simple command, but nothing other than that. Okay, let's wait for this. I don't know how to fix this. What should I do? Do I need to update this? Update the mod? Command. Net. Yeah, this one. It says indirect. Do I need to modify this? Let's suppress this issue. We 0.51.0. Okay. Will you be happy now? Okay, I think except the linter, the test will be passed. I thought this would last around 30 minutes, but most of the time went on fixing the audio. Probably we're gonna looks like this is not a right way to do that, so I'm reverting it back to I wanted to get reset head 1. Near this, push F. I think finally it's ready for review. Hmm, that's fine. I'm okay with this. I'm waiting for this called coverage report. Hmm. Think. Oh, this has run successfully. Covered 75 percentage, which is good. Hmm. What if we are unable to make the hash? What if we are unable to put the file? Hmm. This is fine. Hmm. If I couldn't delete the file. Hmm. Why? Okay. I think we are in a good state now. At least it's ready for review again. We'll wait for their feedback. I think let's end this session stream today. Thanks, guys. Bye. See you later.